Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this portable car vacuum cleaner from Giraffe Tools to do a review on. So let's check it out. Okay, it comes with the car vacuum instruction manual. This is model HHV120 made by Giraffe Tools. Everything you need is right here, so let's take a closer look at it. Okay, if we look at the product specifications, the working voltage is DC current 12 volts. So this runs off the car battery. It puts out 120 watts, capacity of 450 milliliters. Maximum working pressure is 7.5 kPa or kilopascals. Power cord length 16.5 feet or 5 meters. So it has a long power cord to plug that into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle so you can get front to back. The vacuum tube length is 12 inches long. So again, it comes with the car vacuum cleaner, one crevice nozzle, and one brush. And these are stored back easily on top of the vacuum cleaner. So if we look at the top of the vacuum cleaner, you have the carrying handle that just snaps back into place. You have the power button that turns the unit on or off on top. And then if you look at the other button, this is the retract button for the cord. Okay, there's a door on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner that has access to the power cord. You just simply pull that out and you can hear it clicking. It'll lock in place wherever you stop. Again, this is 16.5 feet long. You would just simply plug this into your car cigarette lighter, and there is a fuse inside this adapter that you can just screw this end off and replace the fuse as needed. The unit did come with an extra fuse, and I'll show that to you in a second. And to retract this back in, you want to hold this just to kind of keep it from retracting back in so fast. And then just simply close the lid back. Okay, you have the vacuum hose here. It's 12 inches or 1 foot in length. You just simply select what adapter you want, place that on the end, and then you can vacuum in the crevices or in the floorboard and so forth, and or use the other attachment that also can be used to get to some hard to reach places in between the seats and the consoles and so forth. Okay, when you're through, this hose just wraps back around and stores right back in place again. Okay, if you look on the other side of the vacuum cleaner, there's a window here that kind of indicates when the trash needs to be emptied out. On-off indicator light. Okay, if you turn the unit on its side, mash this button, this bottom door will open to have access to the HEPA filter for the vacuum cleaner. Comes with an extra fuse. This needs to be stored and kept in the event that you have a blown fuse. And again, that's in the adapter that you plug into the cigarette lighter. Okay, so this area here will fill up with particulate. To clean the filter, you just simply turn this counterclockwise. This is kind of a protective metal screen that you see. Remove the filter. You just rotate it also counterclockwise. To clean the HEPA filter, you can just use a brush to clean it, or both of these can be lightly rinsed off with water and then dried completely before a reinstall. To install them back, you just simply align the slots up in the back and twist it clockwise. Same thing with this protective screen. Just rotate it until it finds the slots and then rotate it. Then close the trash bin door. So let's give it a try cleaning my truck. So let's remove the hose. Plug it into the cigarette lighter. Turn on the accessory key. Okay, overall, the portable car vacuum cleaner did a pretty good job at cleaning the front floorboard and console of my truck. Let's take a look inside the trash bin and see how much was collected. So we open up the bottom lid of the car vacuum cleaner. So you can see quite a bit of debris collected there. To clean the filter, you want to first empty the trash into a trash bin, and then to remove the metal screen and the filter, you want to rotate it counterclockwise to remove both of these, and remove any debris using a brush. Just brush the screen lightly, as well as a HEPA filter. And you can rinse both of these off with water, like under your sink or faucet outside. Be sure and let those air dry before putting those back inside the vacuum cleaner itself. You just line up the slots, turn both the filter and the screen clockwise to lock those in place, and then simply close the lid on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. So you can see it collected quite a bit of debris, and none of this actually made it to the HEPA filter. It was all caught by the screen itself to protect the HEPA filter life. Overall, a pretty good car vacuum cleaner. Obviously, it's not as strong as a wet vac or the vacuum that you'd set a car wash, but this is something I'd recommend you can keep in your vehicle to keep your car clean. So I recommend this portable car vacuum cleaner.